Good morning. You are watching Fox and Friends First. Welcome aboard.
All right, just ahead, your kids and their money. Do they think it grows on trees? We're going to tell you what you need to do to help them realize how to earn, how to save, and how not to spend all of your money. Listen up, parents. Do your kids think that you are their human ATM machine?
When is it okay to teach them about money? Lori Mackey is the author of Money Mama, and she talks about designing your child's financial future, and she joins us now. Lori, how do we get across to kids what money's worth?
Basically, communicating with them is the biggest thing that we can do for them as children.
And Lori, you say that there are 4 common mistakes that parents always make when it comes to kids and money. Number 1, not creating positive habits early. What do you mean, and how do you do that?
Well, the biggest thing is children are failing financial literacy tests. And that is basically because we're not talking to them about money and educating them young enough. Your adult habits start in childhood, so if we can develop positive habits when they're young with money, then we will set them up for
how
as young as 2.
Huh.
Well, get rid of the
2 years old.
Wow, get rid of the entitlement attitude. Allow children to earn money through chores.
The biggest thing we could do is allow our children to earn money and then go out and spend their own money, because when they spend our money, they don't spend it as wisely.
Okay, number 3, you say starting the paycheck to paycheck syndrome. What's that?
Well, our company is based on a program that teaches children how to pay themselves first through saving and investing their money. Then they give back and they live within their means by only spending 70%. It's really important that we don't teach our kids to take $1 and spend $1, because that's going to create the habit of living paycheck to paycheck and going into debt.
So if you give your child a $5 allowance, you go through the motions of taking 70% of that and putting it into a so-called savings account?
Exactly, because what we want them to do is never get in the habit of spending all they have. Because what will happen is they'll never make any money, because they will always spend everything. And most children only know spending. So we need to open up different avenues of money for them so they can understand it.
Okay, and teach your kids how to save as well. That's great stuff. Lori Mackey, you're an author and you're the Money Mama. And the book is Design Your Child's Financial Future. Thanks for being with us this morning.
Thank you.
All right, coming up straight ahead, more.